Hey everybody, welcome back. We needed to turn the light on so you'll see my face. Alright, so I am going to take off the eyeshadow I have on right now. And we are gonna play with some of my palettes. Play with palettes. And I'm going to start with some of the ones I have right here on my desk. Okay, better? Better. Alright, I'm going to put a little shadow insurance on. Although that won't be the one I pick up. I'll pick up something that I already have, and it's the Lorac. So, I know I have a lot of new palettes to show you guys. But like, is anybody interested in me like doing a week of a brand? Not that I can necessarily get it all in a week, but you know what I mean. Like, I'm gonna go through, and I started to do this kind of a should it stay or go series. I was at a loss for words. Can you imagine? So I think I'm going to go into this little lovely NARS palette. And once again, this is the Cool Crush. And I've got my little Scooby-Doo shirt on. And we're going to do some Scooby-Dooing. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I like Scooby-Doo. So I am going to go right down this row here. And we are I'm gonna start with putting the shimmer on my lid. Oh my. NARS never disappoints me. Never. 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 I'm only missing a couple of their palettes as well. Or what's come out in the past 2 years, let's put it that way. That's horrible. Horrible, child. Alright, so I'm going to go into this shade right here with this lovely brush. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is a Morphe M412. It's like a pointed blender. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Use good. Use good. Sorry. I have to put the thing on for blind people like me. Blind as a bat. And that's with my contacts in. Alright. Wow. I just love it. That means I like it. She likes it, she likes it, she really, really likes it. Just tell me to be quiet. Much easier. Just tell me. Alright, I'm gonna go back into that. What the frackety frick? That brush had something on it. Dirty brush. It was wet. It got my stuff messed up. This is a little Too Faced brush. I'm going to go part of the way in. Under the eye. And I'm going to get me another brush, clean. And I'm going to blend out the edges so it doesn't look like it's, you know, so precise. God, I like this. I really like it. I do. All right, so I'm going to take that shade right there and I'm going to put that in the front so that it kind of sits on top of that. Yes. Yes. Yes, party peeps, this is it. This is it. It's the stuff. Very, very pretty. All right, we'll just go real quick on the inner part of our eye. On the innards of our eye. And then we'll put some of that same shade in our inner corner and down and up, kind of rounding it out a little bit. Whoa. That would look really good as a cut crease. I should try that. Put a little bit of mascara on, and then we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh, you know what I am gonna do? I have the perfect lipstick for this. Just because, you know, it's time to be funny. So this is Lime Crime, and it's in, well, Peacock. Funny. A trick when you are doing liquid lipstick, just take your finger and pull it out, and look, it gets all the liquid lip off of the inner part, so it doesn't go on your teeth like it did for me. Okay. I really just wanted to try that out. I'm gonna put some mascara on. This is my MAC mascara. Mackety Mac Mac Mac. Just lengthening and separating my lashes. I already had some mascara on, so. Well, 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 what do you think? I think it's beautiful. Beautiful. And I'm going to play with it some more. My base is the foundation I put on early this morning is separating. So it's been about 6 hours. It is that Watermelon Foundation from Too Faced. It doesn't always do this to me. I'm wondering if it's because I put on that Bobbi Brown stuff. Bobbi Brown, Bobbi Brown. I put on my face base underneath it. Some things just don't like stuff underneath it. That's what I found, at least on my skin. But yeah, it's not horrible. It's not great, but it's not horrible. What do you think? I like it. I'd never wear this blue lipstick with it though. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to do a different look with one of my palettes that I had opened up this morning for my I'm a Shopaholic video. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.